There's a deer in the yard, and Yuppie does not know what to do about it. That is a very brave deer. Shh. Hold very still. Don't move. Don't move, Keith. She's scared. Get her, Yuppie. Go get her, Yuppie.
Are you scared?
Get her, Yuppie.
Spider.
Spider, just stay away from it. She's getting braver. They're right next to each other now. It's stomping. This is funny. She is standing next to the deer at this point. She does not know what to do about it. No, she's ignoring it. Ooh, what is that? What is that? This is funny. Look at her. She got her tail down. She's telling him she wants to play. He's stomping at her. This is great. This is great. Come on, Yuppie. This deer wants to play, obviously. Look. The deer's stomping at her. Oh, the deer blew. I mean, it's scared. This is great. Holy shit.
Boy.
Boy. Yuppie's out there. She's still by the deer. Keith, get back. Holy shit, the deer's chasing Yuppie. Keith, watch out. Keith, shut up, Keith. Keith, shut up.
Hello.
Keith, stop making noise. Shh. Don't move, Keith. Don't move. Don't move. Oh my god. Don't move. Don't move. That was great. Okay, Bubsy, come on.